Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved. We'll begin by covering the fundamental controls, ensuring you can move, interact, and navigate the world effectively. Next, we'll dive into the core survival mechanics, focusing on managing your hunger and thirst to stay alive. You'll learn to gather crucial resources like wood and stone, which are vital for crafting your initial tools and building a simple shelter to protect you from the elements and dangerous creatures. Now that you understand the basics, let's focus on efficient resource gathering. You'll want to prioritize collecting large amounts of wood, stone, thatch, and fiber. These materials are essential for crafting your first stone pickaxe and hatchet, which significantly speed up resource collection. With these tools, you can then construct a small, secure base, perhaps a 2x2 structure, offering vital protection from the environment and aggressive dinosaurs. Taming dinosaurs is a core aspect of Ark. There are two main methods, knockout taming and passive taming. For knockout taming, you'll need tranquilizer arrows or darts and a creature's preferred food like berries or meat, along with narcotics to keep it unconscious. Once knocked out, feed it and protect it from threats. After it's tamed, craft a saddle, which often requires level 20 or higher, to ride your new companion and explore the world. As you progress, upgrading your base is crucial. Move from fragile thatch to more robust wood, then stone, and eventually metal for maximum security. Establish a farm to grow crops, providing a consistent food source for you and your tames. Explore diverse biomes, from snowy mountains to scorching deserts, to discover unique resources and powerful creatures. This preparation is vital for tackling the game's more challenging encounters and epic boss battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.